In this guide, we'll explore multiple practical methods to perform ZTE backup and restore with ease, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. Part 1. How to backup and restore ZTE via Coolmuster Android Assistant. Coolmuster Android Assistant is a versatile Android data management tool that supports flexible backup and restore options for various data types and is compatible with all major Android phones, including ZTE. Step 1. Install and launch Coolmuster Android Assistant on your computer. Step 2. Connect ZTE to the computer via USB cable. Then, enable USB debugging and grant permission on your ZTE phone as prompted. After a successful connection, you will see ZTE's main information on this program. Step 3. To backup ZTE, click Super Toolkit at the top of this interface. Backup, select your ZTE device name, check files you want to back up, and decide a storage location on your computer backup. Then, you will backup selected files from ZTE to the computer. To restore backup to ZTE, click Super Toolkit at the top of this interface. Restore, choose target device name and tick backup files you want to restore. Part 2. How to do ZTE backup and restore by Coolmuster Android Backup Manager. Coolmuster Android Backup Manager is a lightweight tool for backing up and restoring Android data. It supports various file types, including messages, call logs, photos, videos, music, documents, and apps. Users can easily back up and restore ZTE phones via USB or Wi-Fi with a safe and smooth transfer process. Step 1. Install Coolmuster Android Backup Manager on your computer. Step 2. Connect your ZTE phone to your PC with a USB cable. Enable USB debugging on your Android and grant permissions according to the prompt on the screen. After your ZTE is detected successfully, you will see the interface like below. Step 3. To backup ZTE phone, click the backup icon and select the file types you want to backup. Choose the location on PC to store your backups. Click the backup button to create a ZTE backup to PC. To restore backup to ZTE phone, click Restore on the main interface of the software. Choose the backup record and file types you wish to restore. Click the Restore button to get back the files from the PC to the ZTE phone. Part 3. How to perform ZTE backup and restore with Google account. ZTE phones support Google backup services, allowing you to automatically save and restore data like contacts, app data, calendar events, and settings through your Google account. Here are the steps to back up a ZTE phone. Step 1. Open your Settings app and go to System Backup. Step 2. On the backup screen, make sure the Backup by Google One switch is turned on. Then tap Backup Now to start backing up your ZTE phone to the cloud. Here are the options to restore the backup. Option 1. Full restore after factory reset. Step 1. When setting up your ZTE phone after a factory reset or on a new device, select Copy apps and data during the setup process. This enables the restore function. Step 2. Sign in with the same Google account used for the previous backup. Choose a backup from the cloud, select the desired backup, and your ZTE device will begin restoring your data automatically. Option 2. Selective Restore from Google Drive. Step 1. Launch the Google Drive app on your ZTE phone. Step 2. Go to the Backup section and browse the available backup data types. Step 3. Select specific files, photos, or app data you want to restore, and download them to your device as needed. Part 4. How to achieve ZTE backup and restore manually. Manual ZTE phone backup and restore lets you transfer files directly between your phone and computer via USB without using third-party software or cloud services. It provides full control over which files are backed up and restored. Here are the steps to back up a ZTE phone to a computer manually. Step 1. Connect your ZTE phone to your computer using a USB cable. Step 2. On your phone, pull down the notification panel and select File Transfer or MTP mode. Step 3. On your computer, open File Explorer and locate your ZTE device under this PC. Step 4. Browse through folders like DSIM photos and videos, music, downloads, or documents, and copy the files you want to back up to a folder on your computer. Here are the steps to restore data from a computer to a ZTE phone manually. Step 1. Connect your ZTE phone to the computer again using a USB cable. Step 2. Set the USB connection to file transfer mode. Step 3. On your computer, open the folder where your ZTE backup files are stored. Step 4. Drag and drop the files, photos, music, documents, etc., into the appropriate folders on your ZTE phone. For example, place photos in the DSIM folder, music in the music folder, and documents in the documents folder.